Hello ladies and gentlemen, RPChess here, and today let's talk about a hyper-modern variation, hyper-modern defense such as Alekhine defense. So white plays e4, the most popular move in chess, and black responds with knight to f6, immediately attacking this pawn on e4. Black tries to attack the center and white tries to control the center with the pawns. And black tries to undermine the center with different pawn attacks. So white plays e5. This is basically the most logical move. Knight to d5, and white plays d2 to d4, reinforcing this pawn on e5 and gaining space in the center. Black responds with d6. Attacking this pawn on e5, and here this is very typical position for the Alekhine defense, and the variations, they will vary from this scene. So let's try playing c4. Knight goes back to b6, attacking the c4 pawn, and here white has to decide. White can either take here on d6 or reinforce with f4. So let's try f4, and this is called the 4 pawns variation, yeah, because you see that white played solely with pawns, and black has to be careful here not to play too passive. Yeah, they started playing quite passively. They move only knights, yeah, and they cannot allow this passivity to continue further. Yeah, so now they have to play really actively right now. And in this position, I can recommend to play the move which will definitely surprise your opponent. The normal way to continue is to play takes and play, let's say, knight to c6. But in this position, you have an excellent move, g5. And this is very dangerous, but black really hopes that white will capture and kind of winning a pawn and destroying this king side, but black will take, white will take, and after this exchange it turns out that the remaining pawns are very weak, and black can bring bishop. They can start attacking with this b knight and then castle queen side. So let's make a couple of moves like knight c6, knight f3 probably, defending the e5, knight to bishop to g4, pinning this knight, and I can say that black is already better here. I will definitely take black, even though they are right now a pawn down, but they have such an amazing position, and they will castle with check, and they have all kinds of interesting things going on for them. Alright, thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.